I want to share with you the benefits of chia seeds, what actually there are and why they're so good, how they can help you with, of course, weight loss and improving your health. And then we can also go a little bit more into it actually to help you to find some ways on implementing or including chia seeds in your day-to-day diet and life. Right, so let's get started. Chia seeds. Who knows what are chia seeds? I would love to know. So please type in the comments what your opinion is about chia seeds. Have you tried them? You have no clue what they are. Are you using them regular? So please share that in the comments. I would love to know any questions around that. Of course, as usual, please just type them in the comments. And also remember that I just shared in the comments link to my blog post that you can see there, and you also find a couple of other links to my YouTube channel, to other videos, and should you be interested to go a little bit deeper, I'm offering you a discovery session, so there is a link as well. So now let me tell you actually about my own story about with chia seeds. I actually struggled at some stage with weight loss, and I came across chia seeds and I started implementing them into my diet. So I was adding them to the smoothie in the morning. I was adding them to a yogurt. I was sprinkling them over salad, adding them to soups. And I definitely saw that my digestion improved, my energy came up, and also my weight loss accelerated and was better. And why is that, you might ask? Those little small black and white beads, they're really magic pills. They're one of those superfoods that you can find. And first of all, chia seeds are really full of nutrition, right? In the way of they have a great content of protein, and protein are really the building blocks for our body and are very helpful. The amino acids in the protein, and they're really complete in those chia seeds, help us really to get the amino acids that are important for our mood. It's really important also for our weight loss management, for our digestion, and many, many other ways. So definitely great in terms of the nutrients. You also have healthy fats, and especially omega-3 fats that are really important for inflammation, for example, for boosting your immune system, healthy aging, and much more. And then, of course, you have also fiber in those chia seeds, and fiber is important. One of those things that is important to keep your digestive system really happy, and also that helps you to lose weight as well. You furthermore have also antioxidants actually in chia seeds that are super healthy, of course, for overall health. So this can help you, for example, to decrease the risk of heart diseases. It helps to reduce blood sugar levels and so much more. So you really have great benefits of those little chia seeds. They're called the powerhouse actually. Now, how can that help you with weight loss? Fiber is really something, as I mentioned already, that keeps your digestive tract healthy. And like this, the food moves through your digestive tract often faster, which helps you, one, to have a healthier digestive system, but also that is, of course, that there's less of a chance of any issues happening, but also it helps you not to put on too much fat right through that. And it also helps you to keep full for longer. When you have fiber in your system, which, by the way, protein and fat is also contributing to, but when you feel through that fiber fuller, obviously you eat less, right? So that's a really great way. And chia seeds are interesting because I don't know if you know them, but if you look at it, there are hard little seeds similar to maybe I'm trying flax seeds, for example, or sesame seeds, right? So very similar in how they look. But what they do actually, when you put them in water, you can try it out, they swell and they soak up the water and they become kind of jelly-like, or a little bit like jelly. So when you, for example, add them in a smoothie or in water or whatever it is, you always need to make sure, especially in a smoothie, you need to add more water, otherwise the smoothie becomes very thick. So you can use them actually to thicken anything you're doing. They almost have no taste. I mean, I find them tasteless, a little nutty taste, but quite honestly, I personally don't find them very tasty. So you can literally add them to sweet and also savory food as you wish. So that is really helpful because the swelling up is what gives them the volume, and that also helps to make you feel fuller. They're also really good with calcium and magnesium, and that helps you to regulate your blood sugar levels, which, as you probably know, helps you with having less cravings, and also is good for your insulin and things like that. So try to add some chia seeds throughout, because that also helps you to feel more energetic, right? So many advantage of it. So now the question is, of course, what do I do with those chia seeds? And you literally can do so much with them. It's really great. So as I said, they come normally, they're little seeds. So I like actually just to add them into my smoothie. And, while you blend the smoothie, they got also blended down, and they usually integrate, and usually they take like 10 to 15 minutes to really swell up. So you might want to wait a little bit before then you drink, because otherwise you might still feel them. I like this little cracking sound, but up to you. You also can actually use them as powder, so you might want to separately, when they are dry, you might just make them as powder. You can also buy that, by the way. And like this, it's a little bit more like a thickening agent if you prefer that. I like adding them to the yogurt, again, either as a powder or as the little seeds there are. If you like the crunchiness, just add them last minute, and if you like them to rather swell and be more jelly type, then obviously take a little bit more time. I love to use them in soups if I want to make a soup thicker. I love to use them as well, for example, to do a overnight chia seed pudding. That's one of my favorites. I actually, in my blog post, there's a recipe, chia and oats pudding. You can do it with or without oats. So basically you have some chia seeds, you add unsweetened almond milk, you can, as I said, rolled oats or without. And then I normally either season them just with really nice fruits, or you can add maybe a little bit of stevia on it, and then add some fruits and maybe some nuts or so. And that is something you can really prepare well the evening before and keep it in the fridge. Another great thing is chia lime water. You should try that. It's interesting. The recipe is in the blog post, and the blog post is, the link is in the comments or the description, so you will find it here. And then you can also sprinkle chia seeds over salad, as I mentioned, in soups, and you can just add them to any dish, right? Like if, let's say, you do a curry, for example, you can add some. So they're so versatile, so you can add some. I really highly recommend and invite you to add maybe start with 1 teaspoon and add that to every dish you have, and maybe then even increase it to 1 tablespoon or so, and see what happens. Do that for 1 week and let me know what happens. I guess you will definitely have less hunger, right? You will be more satiated and eat less. Just by doing that, your energy will improve, your digestive health will increase and improve, and of course, losing weight, being more energetic will make you feel better. There might be some people, very few people, that might have a reaction to chia seeds. Like with everything, we are different. Some people it's good, some not, so you want to find out. So of course, if you find out you feel worse with the chia seeds, then again, take them off and see how it is, or maybe you want to use less chia seeds or so. So again, it's always a little bit to find what is the right way for you, so you want to try it out. Great. So what are you gonna do with the chia seeds? Are you gonna use them in the smoothie, in the yogurt, just sprinkle over salad, or how will you use chia seeds? And maybe you have a chia seed recipe that you would like to share with us. I invite you to share that in the comments, and as usual, please just check out here. There is, first of all, there's the link to the blog post, and also you have the link to other videos. And if you are interested in getting more details and getting more help to find the right way for you to lose weight, find the right ways of eating or lifestyle changes that you want to implement so you get to your goals, I added also the link here to a discovery session, which is basically a really complimentary consultation where we can discover each other other, so I can help you a little bit to understand, how to get to your goals, what you're struggling with, so we can put an action plan together for you. And you have all the links either in the description or in the comments here. And of course, any questions, just hit reply and let me know, and I'm here for you. Thank you so much. Remember to share, thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know how you like that. My name is Andrea Caprio, and until next time, get going with chia seeds. Bye bye.